Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Jamaican Kim here. So today I'll be doing a Q&A, getting to know me. This video is long overdue, by the way, guys. Long overdue. I should have done this video from in the first part of my YouTube journey. But anyways, never too late, right? So I'm doing a getting to know me video. Yes guys, so for those of you all don't know, my name is Kim and I'm from Jamaica, straight out of St. James. So that's why I gave my channel the name Jamaican Kim. I am 30 years old and I have one daughter, one troublemaker daughter. Yes guys, so this video is long overdue, as I said. So I asked for some questions and I'm about to answer them right now. Alright, so somebody wants to know why did I started YouTube? Why did I started YouTube? Well, I started YouTube from a long time ago, a couple years back, but I wasn't taking it serious. I didn't even really know what was YouTube. I just create something and I just drop a video and that's it. But why I created YouTube? Why I'm doing YouTube? Well, I actually like doing YouTube. I think it's fun. I like doing videos and all of that. And yeah, I enjoy doing it. I enjoy watching it, so why not do it? And a lot of people on YouTube, I watch them and I learn from them and they motivate me to want to continue, because a lot of time I think of stop doing it, but they motivate me to want to continue on my journey and stuff. And yeah, we have to crawl before we walk, you know, so we have to come from somewhere, not true? So yeah, I just do it for fun. I really do it for fun. I enjoy doing it. Next question. Do I do YouTube for money? Well, as I said, I do YouTube for fun, and yes, of course, who doesn't want the money? Who do not want the money? Of course, somewhere along the way I want the money, of course, but for right now I'm doing it for fun. I don't think that hard on it, like subscriber, you know, to go crazy. No, I'm actually enjoying my time right now doing YouTube. I do not stress on it, you know. Yeah, subscribers will come. Yeah. So somebody asked, what makes me angry? What makes me angry? Well, what makes me angry is when I am listening to somebody talking and when I'm about to talk, the person don't want to listen to me. That gets me really angry. That gets me really pissed, because if I can listen to you, why can't you listen to me? Yeah, when a person don't want to let me talk my side, I get really angry. Yeah. What's my biggest fear? My biggest fear is actually dying. Yes, I know, right? All of we have to die one day. All of we have to go, but that is one of my biggest fear. My biggest fear is drowning. I don't know what it is with drowning, but that's my biggest fear. And I guess that will answer another question that somebody asked. If I can swim. No, I cannot swim. I cannot swim. So yeah, drowning is one of my biggest fear. What would I change about myself? What would I change about myself if I could? What would I change about me? Well, I wouldn't personally change anything about myself because I do love myself. I love myself so much. All of us have flaws, but I learned to accept my flaws and I love myself, so I definitely would never change anything about myself. Yeah, we all got to have some self-love, okay? Alright, next one is what motivates me. What motivates me? Haters motivates me. People who doubt me motivates me. Yeah. People who talk down, well, I don't really have nobody talk down on me, like talking down on me, but you're always gonna have haters out there, whether it's a friend, family member, or whatever. So yes, people who doubt me, that motivates me. Being doubt, yeah, that push me. Somebody say, you know, you're never gonna make it out to do that, or yeah, you know you will never make it to reach 100 subscriber. You know, why you doing YouTube? Why you doing it? You're not even have 100 subscriber. Yeah, that motivate me. That make me want to get up and take up my camera and do a 1-2 video. Yeah, that motivates me, of course, because I know that one day I will reach to the top. It's not gonna happen overnight, I know that, but yeah, and as time goes by, it's gonna reach where I want it to be. Okay, and thanks to all my subscribers and the people who are supporting me and still supporting me from day one till now, the new subscriber, the old subscriber. Yes, thank you. My subs are climbing up, and I hope you guys are also watching my videos. Yeah, so what the next question? Do I have a lot of friends? No, I don't have a lot of friends. I do not keep a lot of friends. I prefer to be more so to myself, less drama. I do have friends, but I don't keep a lot of friends. I prefer the less drama zone. Yes, I don't like drama. I don't like fights. I've never been in a girl fight, girl argument, all of this toe to toe with this and that, and I have never been in any mix up and all of that. I do not do drama. I do not do that. So no, I don't keep a lot of friends. I like to be drama free. I like to chill by myself. Talk to my 1 and 2 friends that I have. My mom is also one of my best friends. So yes, but I do not keep a lot of friends. Next question. Do I drink or smoke? Nah, nada. I do not smoke. I've never smoked a day in my life, and I don't think I will ever do that. Well, for anybody out there that smokes, I mean, it's your thing, do your thing, no problem. I don't judge, by the way, but I don't smoke. Do I drink? I don't really drink. I am not a drinker. I'm a light-headed person. If I drink a beer, my knees will get weak, so I don't really drink. I don't follow up the drinking, but like I would taste a little bit of alcohol, like rum cream, you know, those kind of ladies drink, and I can't really drink it, but I would like I put a little bit in my blending and stuff, yeah, in that kind of way. But I don't really drink. I don't follow up the alcohol because I cannot manage it, so I stay away from that. Do I party? I am not a party kind of person. I am more so the laid back type of person, the more calmer person. I prefer to chill, maybe to go like to a movie, to the beach, more relaxed. I do not like a lot of crowd, a lot of noise and all of that. I am not that type of person. Yeah, of course, if like a party is keeping like a family party or so, of course I will attend, but I'm not really the club kind of person, you know, to go out there. Like maybe one time experience, yeah, no problem, but I'm not really the kind of party kind of person. Yeah. So if I missed out on anything that you guys want to ask me, any questions that I've missed, you can drop it in the comments below. I will surely do another video, part 2, answering your questions, no problem. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my getting to know me video, my Q&A video. And please subscribe. As I said, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, tell me how I did, and I'll catch you in my another video. Thanks for watching, guys.